Hi class, it's Mr. Berglund and I want to start off by apologizing. I'm sorry that I'm not able to be with you in class, but things have come up and I need to go be other places right now, but I want to say we're still going to have a great science class because we're going to go and investigate. All right, so what you need for this class, all right, you need your science journals, so please get those out. You'll need a pencil or a pen. You will need your flashlight with batteries, all right? Make sure we have put the batteries in it so that it works, all right? You will need your mirror that I have given you. Oh, look at, you can see how I'm using it, all right? Here's your mirror. And you will also need your worksheet, Mirror Challenge A and Mirror Challenge B, all right? Now, once you've done that, go ahead and take your science journal out and you can open it to a new page, all right? So it's gonna be October 16th. I'm filming this on October 9th, all right? But the date will be October 16th, all right? So how this is going to work, how class is going to work is because I'm not there, I'm still going to ask you questions. But in order to show that you were paying attention, I'm gonna have you write those questions out in your composition journal, and then I'm gonna have you write the answers, all right? And then when we come back on class on Monday, we're gonna discuss, all right? So you should have all your notes and be ready to discuss these questions on Monday. All right, so my first question that I want you to write in your journal, so I would maybe suggest after I ask the question, pause this video, pause it, write the question and then the answer, and then continue, all right? So there's no wrong answers, right? This is just to gauge, see what you know. So my first question I want you to write in your journal is, how can we see? What enables or allows us to be able to see? So that's the question. Go ahead and write your answer. What allows us to be able to see? All right. Okay. And then the second question is, how does light travel? How does light go from the sun to being in our eyes? Right? If the sun is a light source, how does the sun go from being up so millions and millions of miles up in the sky to being in our eyes? Next question, what allows me or what allows you to see other people? What allows you to see the computer that's in front of you? What allows you to see your pencil? What do you think allows you to be able to do that? All right. So the class before, right, on, what was it? It was on Tuesday. On Tuesday, I had you go outside and I had you explore with mirrors, right? I had to see if you can bounce the mirror off onto the ground. You can shine light from the mirror onto the ground. And can you have the light go from the mirror onto a wall or a car, or make it so you can see something that's behind you. Do you remember doing that? I hope you enjoyed it because I enjoyed doing it myself. So what was that bright thing that you were shining, right? When you were using your mirror, right? When you were using your mirror and you were shining something bright onto the wall or the place behind you or on the ground, what was that you were shining onto the ground or on another object? It was sunlight, just to let you know, guys. So here's the answer to one question. That was sunlight that you were reflecting, right? You're finding the sun, right? The sun was shining, and you're taking that light, you were taking your mirror and being able to reflect it, right? You were able to guide the light by angling the mirror in different ways so you get the light to go somewhere else. So I can see what's behind me. I can see that there is a bottle of soap behind me, but I have my mirror that allows me to see behind me because I'm bouncing light and it's able to see and reflect and show me what's behind me using the mirror. All right, so now I want us to practice, right? We're gonna practice using light and using mirrors. So I want you to take your flashlight and your mirror and mirror challenge A and B. All right, so let's look at mirror challenge A. And mirror challenge A, right, is on page 211. This is what it looks like. It's going to ask you, place the mirror so you can make light shine to the left. But we didn't have any mirror clips to give you. So this is what I would do. I'm going to see if I can hold this, all right? I'm going to ask you, this is hard, to get your mirror, right? We're going to get our flashlight and hold your mirror, and so you can get it to bounce light to the left, right? How can you get light to bounce to the left, right? Because the light's shining straight ahead. Do you see it? How are we able to get light to shine over here, right? What? Now it's over there, right? We're able to move the light, all right? And then the next one is, so make it to shine on the other side, right? So you're gonna go through each of these challenges, all right? So you're gonna stop watching this video and you're gonna go and you're gonna do all these challenges. Challenges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6, you're gonna make your own challenge and see what you're able to do. Maybe you can come up with a really intricate challenge. All right, so that's what your task is gonna be, all right? So remember, class, I'm gonna ask you all these questions I asked you at the beginning of this video. Please write those out in your composition journal and write your answer, all right? Because we're going to come back on class on Monday and we're gonna discuss that. We're gonna flesh this out. We're gonna really trying to dig deep to understand light and what allows us to see, all right? So do the flashlight challenge, and when you're done with your questions, right? So you have written the questions, you have written your answers. I'm gonna post an assignment on Google Classroom that's gonna ask you to upload the images from your journal, right? So this will allow me to see that you came to class, that you stayed in class, you watched the videos, and you did the work that I asked you to do. All right, so go ahead, write your questions, write the answers, do the flashlight challenge, and then please upload the video. You will have until Tuesday. Now you will have until Tuesday to upload the images from your journal to show that you did your work, all right? I believe in you guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.